Ever wonder why some gardens thrive effortlessly while others struggle? The secret lies beneath your feet. Healthy garden soil is a vibrant, living system, teeming with microorganisms, fungi, and earthworms. It's the foundation for robust plant growth and a truly flourishing garden. Soil is alive in ways most people don't realize. Beneath every step in your garden is a microscopic world working in balance. This soil food web cycles nutrients, builds structure, and sustains all plant life. Good soil holds moisture, resists erosion, and feeds your plants naturally. Poor soil leads to weak plants that need constant watering and fertilizer. Nutrients might be present but locked away, unusable by your plants. Bare ground bakes in the sun, killing beneficial microbes and leading to hard, unproductive crusts. But your soil can recover and thrive. Composting is a powerful way to repair and enrich your soil. It mimics nature's decay process, turning leaves, food scraps, and other organic materials into humus. This dark, crumbly substance is packed with nutrients and beneficial organisms. Humus acts like a sponge, holding water while allowing excess to drain. When mixed into soil, compost improves structure and provides slow-release nutrition. It also helps balance pH and buffers against environmental stress. Creating compost is simple. Alternate layers of greens, nitrogen-rich, and browns, carbon-heavy in a pile or bin. Turning the pile introduces oxygen, speeding decomposition. A well-maintained compost pile heats naturally, often killing weed seeds and pathogens. Over weeks or months, it transforms into rich, earthy humus. Use it to mix into beds before planting, or as a top-layer mulch. Even small amounts make a big difference, transforming compacted soil into fertile ground. Worm composting, or vermiculture, takes soil building a step further. Red wiggler worms process organic waste, producing nutrient-rich castings. These castings are a living fertilizer, packed with beneficial bacteria and fungi. They continue working in your soil long after application. A worm bin can be a simple plastic container with ventilation holes. Keep it moist and feed it regularly with plant-based scraps. The worms grind organic material, mixing it with enzymes and microbes. The result is an amendment that improves soil structure and boosts nutrient availability. Worm castings won't burn plants even in generous amounts. They also contain compounds that help plants resist disease and stress. Mix them into soil, sprinkle around plants, or make a liquid worm tea for watering. Vermiculture turns kitchen waste into a continuous supply of powerful soil builder. Green manures are plants grown specifically to feed your soil. Fast-growing legumes like clover fix nitrogen, while grasses add biomass. Their roots penetrate compacted layers, creating channels for water and air. They also bring up nutrients from deep below the surface. When cut before flowering and incorporated into the soil, green manures provide a surge of fresh organic matter. This feeds microbes rapidly, releasing nutrients for your next crop. In small gardens, simply chop and drop the plants, leaving them on the soil to decompose naturally. Cover crops are closely related, primarily used to protect bare soil. They prevent erosion during winter or between planting cycles. By covering the soil, they reduce rain and wind impact, keep the surface from drying, and maintain a habitat for soil microbes. Cover crop roots stabilize soil structure and add organic matter as they decay. Some add nitrogen, while others suppress pests and diseases. When cut and left as mulch or tilled in, they provide a slow-release nutrient source. Consistent use dramatically improves soil organic matter and fertility. While organic matter is key, sometimes specific minerals are needed. Acidic soils benefit from lime to raise pH. Heavy clay soils can improve with gypsum for better drainage. Phosphorus-deficient soils might need rock phosphate. Always get a soil test before adding minerals to avoid imbalances. These methods work best when used together. Compost provides the base organic matter and microbial life. Worm castings add concentrated nutrients and beneficial organisms. Green manures and cover crops keep soil covered, feed microbes, and prevent erosion. Mineral amendments fine-tune specific deficiencies. Together, they create a living soil system that sustains itself. A seasonal routine ties everything together. Add compost before planting, keep soil covered with mulch during growth, and plant green manures or cover crops after harvest. Over time, your soil will need fewer inputs. Healthy soil looks, smells, and feels different. It becomes loose and crumbly. holding moisture without getting waterlogged. Earthworms and other soil creatures become more common. Your plants will develop stronger root systems and show fewer signs of stress. Water infiltrates instead of running off, and weeds become easier to manage. Perhaps the most noticeable change is how little outside fertilizer you need. Living soil cycles nutrients efficiently, reducing the need for constant feeding. Your garden will become more resilient and productive. Cultivating healthy garden soil is an ongoing journey, a partnership with the living system beneath your feet. Start composting today. Consider a worm bin and explore green manures and cover crops. Your efforts will transform your garden into a thriving, self-sustaining ecosystem. Share your soil success stories in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips.